Please do not be driving or operating heavy machinery during this meditation. Please follow all the instructions in the meditation audio and also read the description to get the most out of this. We're not your doctors. We're not your psychologists. We're not your psychiatrists. We are here. Enjoy. Let there be loving light, empowered, healed, holy white fire of all that is source and almighty love, for the highest good of myself and all others I ever come in contact with. Life is a lesson, and I give thanks for this beautiful life. Let there be light, loving, forgiving, empowered, healed, the golden protecting light of the Christ consciousness, Jesus, Buddha, Allah, Hashem, Source, Divine. That which is the power within inside of me, ignite. A protective light, shining, igniting my healing aura of my own self now for the highest good of myself and anyone that I come in contact with in my life. I love you. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I'm sorry. If I have harmed anyone in any way, I am so sorry. If anyone has harmed me in any way, I love you and I forgive you. I forgive you and I forgive myself. Thank you. Go in peace. Thank you for allowing me to learn what I needed in this life. Allow us both to move on in peace. To any interaction you may have in life, Elohim, Allah, Adonai, Allah, God, Hashem, Source, and the Divine within inside of me, it shines now. Thank you so much. Let us begin. Take a deep breath and go within. Do not be driving or operating heavy machinery. Get settled. Either lie down flat or sit in a chair with the spine straight and straighten. Relax. Allow your body to settle and be. Let go of all the cares and concerns of the day, of the moment, of the being of who you think you are. Any problem or issues, put it down like it's a bag and leave it at the door. Allow your body to settle into deep relaxation. This is going to be an activation and a clearing of a aura wash color. Color aura wash. Aura cleansing by your own imaginative light. And then igniting that light within you to shine. Relax and keep breathing. Breathe in a green light and allow it to seep into every cell of your body. A beautiful seep. An absorption, releasing all tension. Releasing tension from the tip of the top of the head, the eyes, the eyebrows, your third eye space between your eyebrows, your temples, relaxing the jaw, relaxing the neck, relaxing the shoulders. Now take a deep breath in of blue light, brilliant blue light. And go deeper. Allow the blue light to fill you and illuminate in a healing. Allow your shoulders to continue to relax and let go. Say to yourself, I let go of any pain that holds me back. Let go of the back. Relax the lower back, moving down, relaxing the chest. Natural compassion flowing from the heart, moving into the stomach, letting go of the stomach. Allow your whole torso to be relaxed, your whole head, your arms, your shoulders, your elbows, your fingers and hands totally relaxed. Unclenching any fist, allowing your fingers to just be open and spread out, relaxed, cultivating your own healing energy. Say to yourself, you let go, and I relax my arms. I relax my hands and my legs and my feet, and my whole body is relaxed. Take a nice deep breath. Know that peace is within. Breathe in a purple, violet, glowing light. Beautiful. Relax. Allow this violet shimmer to shine within inside of you and unlock anything within the mind, the souls that dwell, only for the highest good. It will do its job. Purple. Relax. Relax. Be at peace. Peace has never left you. Be still. Be still. Be still. Bringing awakened consciousness, a life force direction to every part of your being. From the empty space in between the atoms that make up you to your current reality and everything in between, send the love now. I love you. 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 Love is a choice. Choosing to love yourself is what the world needs. Understanding inside you have the power to bring about whatever you want in your life. The light, the ambience, the imaginative adventure. Life is meant to be lived, and life is meant to be colorful. Take a breath in. You are beautiful. Now you're going to take the conscious, almost in a creation here. Transformation happening. You're going to use your imagination faculty and the creative part of you. Imagine yourself now in a rainbow light, glowing from bright white to a glowing violet blue hue. Every color in between, even colors that we have never seen. Imagine the immensity, the opalescence, the shimmers, the glitters, the everlasting color that is your soul. Allow your auric field from the innermost world to the outermost reality to shine with who you are. Allow the colors to shine within who you are. Allow the infinitely dimensional rainbow lights to flow. Allow the interdimensional, intergalactic, rainbow cosmic, starseed infused transmission of color from every dimension to shine. Every color of the spectrum, every spectrum. You are a light. Shine infinitely. Be who you are. And now think of the earth, our beautiful planet. And think of the core of the earth and give that core a beautiful pink gold light, a rose gold light. Something that is a creation of love combined with divinity from above. And anything that you do not need, anything extra from your own self-healing and also your will to serve this world, give that intention to anyone who needs it. Love, loved ones, people in need, the earth itself, herself, himself. Allow yourself to give back whichever way you know how. You're an individual, a beautiful sentient being. Be who you are and know that there's room on this earth for you to be more of who you are. Give service. Show your creations. Show yourself and be yourself. Never be afraid. Never have fear. Allow the fear to teach you, and then allow others to show you in a way that shows you more of who you are. Increasing intuition, bringing it back. The earth loves you. The earth thanks you. Thank the earth right now. I thank you, Mother Earth. I thank you, beautiful earth. Thank you for all the abundance you've given us. We love you. Breathing, breathing, breathing. Allowing a new creation to come back into you, whatever your manifestation wants to be. Wiggling the toes, wiggling the fingers, coming back with the light. The light should have brought you almost back, but now it's your turn to go into this waking new world with a new sense of who you are, and that's you making a change within your own life. So open your eyes if you haven't already and understand that you have the power to create your reality. You have the power to create your destiny. It's up to you to work on you. Get rid of any beliefs that are holding you back, habits that are not moving you forward, and also understanding influences in your life. The importance of a mastermind group to share, to give, to love, to proceed forward together in a world where unification is beautiful. But you gotta be who you are. You can come back to this meditation anytime you want. It is a be who you are through creative energy transmutation. We went through the different colors of light. Stay tuned for more. I'm OAT, Olivia Tatara. I love you and take care.